Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out this OFRA Cosmetics Lip Gloss that I got in the shade Golden Rose in my April 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag. I love getting OFRA products and I love getting lip glosses, so this is just such an awesome product in my opinion to get. And actually, if you have not seen my unbagging of my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I'll have that video linked in the description down below so that you can see all of the products I got and a ton of products that I redeemed my Ipsy points for. So I unbagged so much makeup that I am so excited to try out. So this lip gloss retails for $15 and it says it's packed with antioxidants and jojoba oil to deeply nourish, condition, and hydrate, which my lips are feeling so chapped right now. So we are really going to be able to see how hydrating this is. It's also vegan, all natural, and cruelty-free. So I just think this looks so pretty. Like, this is the shade that I would probably choose for myself if I was purchasing this. It's like a light to medium pink with sparkle in it. Just so right up my alley. Ooh, and I love the big doe foot applicator. That's not exactly what I was expecting. I don't really smell anything from this, but that's okay. Before I go ahead and apply it to my lips, I'm going to do a swatch. Ooh, okay, that's beautiful. A very sheer, barely there hint of color, but what I noticed right away is that super shine, and the sparkle to it is so tiny that I think it just enhances the shine even more. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to see how this looks on the lips. And it could just be because my lips are so chapped and thirsty right now, but I just want to keep layering this up. It's not a super thick gloss either, so I do feel like I want a couple coats. I mean, this first layer, it's pretty. It gives a little bit of shine, some moisture to the lips, but it's not super high shine, so let's see how it builds up. It does get shinier as you layer it up, which is pretty. I would say that the color really doesn't layer up that much. It's overall going to be pretty clear and sheer, but it is really pretty with that shine. And having it on my lips, I don't actually notice any shimmer sparkle. It's just so fine and tiny shimmers that it just kind of looks like sheen, which I like. I don't want like a huge chunky glitter sparkle in my lip gloss. I want this shine. The only thing that I'm not super crazy about is that my lips are still chapped. Like, when I rub my lips together, I still feel that chapped texture, and I was kind of expecting it to be hydrating, more deeply moisturizing to get rid of the chapped areas to my lips, but it just seems to kind of coat over them, which I don't really love for a lip gloss, because there are so many great lip glosses that actually do completely hydrate and get rid of the chapped lips. But the texture of it's really nice. It's not sticky at all. So overall, a fine lip gloss, but nothing all that special to me. It's not like it has a plumping effect, a color, super moisturizing, none of that, which are qualities that I really look for in my lip glosses. So I just don't really think there's anything all that special to this. It also doesn't seem super long lasting because I'm already feeling like the shine is fading. I'm surprised because I love OFRA Cosmetics, but this really didn't impress me the way that other OFRA products tend to do. So very curious to hear your thoughts on the OFRA lip gloss in the comments down below if you have tried it out. And it's times like these when I'm like, this trying a new makeup product every day series has just made me so picky with makeup products, which is not necessarily a bad thing for my channel because I'm gonna be so opinionated, honest, and able to compare products to so many others. And I feel like if I hadn't tried out literally hundreds of other lip glosses, I would be like, this lip gloss is so pretty, I love it. And it's not bad, don't get me wrong, but it's not amazing. And I don't think you need to spend $15 on it. In general, I don't think you need to spend a lot of money on lip glosses. But anyways, at least now I know about this. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.